Abundantly spread across the plains of Africa is the member of the horse family, famous for never being tamed and sporting striking black and white striped bodies, the zebra. Zebras are social animals and live in groups of varying sizes. They are members of the equid family. They are set apart from their horse relatives by their black and white stripes. The pattern of these stripes are unique to each zebra. But these stripes not only serve to give the zebra identity, they are a brilliant camouflage, its first line of defense from predators, of which there are many. Predators include crocodiles, wild dogs, hyenas, and cheetah. The zebra's greatest threat is the African lion. But their stripes are usually an effective deterrent. The vertical striping aids the zebra when hiding in grass by disrupting its outline, making it more difficult for the lion to see it at a distance. The stripes also motion dazzle predators. Groups of zebras are near each other, whether moving or standing still. The black and white stripes seem to flicker as one large mass. This makes it difficult for the lion to single out a target. One would think that black and white stripes against the yellow grasses would be easy to spot, and for most they are. But the lion is colorblind. Due to this, when zebras stand still among the long grass, it's virtually impossible for them to be seen by a lion, who cannot differentiate between the vegetation and the striped pattern. It's not until they move, their black and white pattern becomes more obvious, but still difficult for the colorblind lion. The savanna is covered in grass, a zebra's main source of food. They spend much of their time grazing with their heads down, and it's at these times that they are at their most vulnerable. Their young are even more at risk of being killed, often singled out by predators. For these reasons, zebra will often graze among other animals that are no threat to them and share common enemies, or are even capable of physically defending against these predators. With their long necks and long-range vision, giraffe can serve as an excellent early warning system. And the wildebeest, who also gather in great herds, can actually cause a predator injury or even death with their massive bodies and horns. Much needed protection for the zebra. Despite their amazing camouflage and relationship to other animals, lions have an arsenal of weaponry that can counter what they can or can't see. Their keen sense of smell and acute hearing means that sometimes the predator gets what it wants. and a zebra must die to feed a hungry pride of lions.